Hi guys, you are watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi and guys, today we are up with a new video and this new video is all about B2 letter structure. Yes guys, this is gonna give you the whole experience, how to write it, how to speak it. It's gonna be literally one-stop solution. If you want to study B2 level letter, then this video is one-stop solution because everything we're gonna cover about letter structure of B2 in this video. Please do subscribe German Gyan because we are coming up with such a helpful content. We are coming up with so much which you should be aware. I hope you're gonna love this content. If you're watching me for the very first time, then my name is Nidhi and I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online and offline classes. We do provide teacher training program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. So why to waste time? Enroll with German Gyan and let's get in this video. Let's go.
Let's discuss B2 level formal letter writing structure. First comes greetings, which are known as Anrede. So greetings we write dear sir or madam, right? So in German, instead of this you can write sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. After that a comma will come. And instead of that, if you know that to whom you are writing this, then you can write sehr geehrter Herr Müller. Here Müller is the surname, so you also have to write the surname of the person. And when you are writing mail to the female, then you can write sehr geehrte Frau Becker. So these greetings are for the formal one. And when you are writing a semi-formal email, then you can write dear John, hallo Frau Schmidt, or guten Tag Herr Weber. And remember, you don't write hi, hello, hi in exam. And now comes opening sentences, that is Einleitungssätze. So you can use the phrases Ich schreibe Ihnen Sie über dash zu informieren, which means I'm writing to inform you that. Another sentence, Ich wende mich an Sie bezüglich, means I'm writing in response to your advertisement. Third one, mit großem Interesse habe ich Ihre Anzeige gelesen, means I read your advertisement with great interest. Another phrases like Betzunehmende auf Ihre E-Mail-Form or Vielen Dank für Ihre Nachricht. Now comes the main body, that is the Hauptteil. So this is where you can explain details using the connectors. For example, außerdem, allerdings, deshalb, einerseits, andererseits, then trotzdem, then zum einen, dash dash, zum anderen, then darüber hinaus. So basically try to use the connectors depending on which level you are. For example, if you are in B1 level or B2 level, then you have to use zweiteilige Konnektoren. Here are some of the sentences which you can use while writing the email. The first one is Meiner Meinung nach ist diese Lösung nicht ideal, means according to my opinion or in my opinion the solution is not ideal. Second, Ich bin der Ansicht, dass dies verbessert werden sollte, means I am of the view that this should be improved. Third one, Es wäre wünschenswert, wenn Sie mir dabei helfen könnten, means it would be desirable if you could help me with this. Then fourth, Ich halte diesen Vorschlag für sinnvoll, means I consider this proposal to be sensible. And the fifth one, Leider muss ich Ihnen mitteilen, dass, means unfortunately I must inform you that. Then comes the closing lines, which is Schulsätze. So it is important that you are writing these ending lines when you end the email. The first one is Ich freue mich auf Ihre Rückmeldung, means I am looking forward to your reply. Second, für weitere Informationen stehe ich Ihnen gern zur Verfügung, means for more further informations I am available. Then Ich danke Ihnen im Voraus für Ihre Hilfe, means I thank you in advance for your help. Ich hoffe auf eine positive Antwort, means I am hoping for a positive answer. And the last one, über eine baldige Rückmeldung würde ich mich freuen. So basically these are the closing lines which you can use when you end the email. Then last, sign off or the Grußformel. So for the formal one, you can use mit freundlichen Grüßen, which usually means yours sincerely. And for semi-formal, you can use viele Grüße or freundliche Grüße, which means best regards. But remember, you cannot just translate all these words word to word from German to English. Now let's see an Aufgabe and then we'll also solve it. So the question is, Sie haben online ein Produkt bestellt, aber die Lieferung kam verspätet und die Verpackung war beschädigt. Schreiben Sie eine formelle Beschwerde-E-Mail an die Firma. So the question says that you have ordered an online product and the delivery was late and also the packaging was damaged. So now you have to write a formal email complaining to the company. And the points which you need to include are: beschreiben Sie das Problem, erklären Sie Ihre Erwartungen, bitten Sie eine Lösung. So these are the points which you have to include in your email. First, we will start the email with the Anrede, which is: Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, ich schreibe Ihnen, mich über die verspätete Lieferung meiner Bestellung zu beschweren. Obwohl mir zugesichert wurde, dass das Paket innerhalb von 5 Tagen geliefert wird, habe ich es erst nach 2 Wochen erhalten. Außerdem war die Verpackung beschädigt, was sehr enttäuschend ist. Deshalb bitte ich höflich eine Rückerstattung oder einen Ersatz. Ich hoffe auf eine schnelle und zufriedenstellende Lösung. Mit freundlichen Grüßen, Kanishka Sharma. And now the tips for you to write the exam. Now, first thing is that the minimum word limits you have to follow. So if the question says that the word limit is 120 to 150, then you have to use it. Second point is, try to use at least 3 to 5 connectors. Third thing, if you are writing a formal email, then remember you always have to use Z form and not do. Then fourth point, you cannot use any emoji or any slang while writing this email. And the fifth one, keep tone neutral and polite. Some of the high scoring German phrases are: Ich bin der Meinung, dass, then es wäre hilfreich, wenn, ich möchte darauf hinweisen, dass, aus diesem Grund, zusammenfassend lässt sich sagen, dass.
So guys, how was this video? I hope you loved it. I hope you have learned a lot of new things, a lot of correction which may you have any confusion or something. I hope it is well cleared. I hope you're gonna shower lots of love to this video. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.